Hello, folks. Now I'm here at this legendary around the world cyclist. What is your name?
My name is Eric.
And where are you from?
I'm from France, but I now live in Portugal with my wife.
And what is your motto in life, or what do you want to tell the world?
I tell the world that they should go and explore. They should go for an adventure. So any adventure, not necessarily something like David. You can think of any adventure. Get off the beaten track. Get off the safety track. Just go ahead. Get out of your comfort zone and do something.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And thank you very much for your kind hospitality.
No worries. Our pleasure.
Thanks. See you.